welcome back to a new video. So I can't remember who it was, I'm sorry, but somebody asked me if I could show them the process of how I pack my nails. Once I've made them, how I pack them. I think that's the right thing. So in this video, I mean, it's going to be a pretty boring video, I'm not going to lie, because it's pretty straightforward. But you know, someone asked, so I shall show it. And also, I thought at the same time it might be nice to do a giveaway. So I created a set of the press-ons that you'll see in a minute. You can see them at the top of the video there. Well, you can see a few of the nails in the set. I'm going to do a giveaway because I don't know if the apex on these tips is too pronounced. If the apex is too pronounced, then they won't sit nicely on your nails. So whoever wins these, you're kind of going to be my guinea pig, because I want to know if you got them on okay, because if not, then I'll need to find some new tips, because there's no point doing press-ons if they don't go on the nail. So right, the card that I purchased, I thought would fit perfectly in these little hollow bags. Unfortunately, they were too big, so I don't know how I got that wrong. So I just used a guillotine there. You saw me using the guillotine to cut the card to the right size. You can use scissors, but the guillotine just makes the edges nice and neat. And if I use scissors, I'd get a proper wonky line. So yeah, guillotine all the way for me. It was only like £8 off Amazon. It wasn't an expensive one, but it's only a little one anyway. That red tape there is it's like a double-sided padded tape. It's quite squidgy. I use that to pop the nails onto the card, to secure the nails onto the card. So I'm just putting the nails on the card roughly where they're going to go. I kind of want to lay it all out before I put the tape on, because I hate having too much tape sticking out either side of the nails, because it's double-sided, like, you can get things stuck to, although it'll go in the bag anyway, so you won't get hair and stuff stuck to it because it'll be inside the hollow bag. So I don't know what I'm on about, really. I just like it to look neat, so I don't like the excess padded tape stuff sticking out the edge of the nails. I want it to look nice and neat, if you know what I mean. Oh, and someone also asked so I don't really, right, I'm still not entirely sure how many of each tip to do. It would just be a lot easier if I got people to measure the width of their nails. But do you know what? I don't know that honestly, doing sets of 23 or 24 tips is just a bloody nightmare. It takes forever. And with my YouTube videos as well, I don't know. So I might do a film. I might film me doing a set of press-ons each month and just do a giveaway. I don't know what to do yet. I'll have a think about it. Right, this tape here, this white tape that I've got, this again is double-sided, but it's not padded. It's not like a padded tape. It's a really thin tape. So that's going to go each side of my little business card, and that's just going to stick the card nice and neatly to the card. Yeah, it's going to stick this card to the backing card, I suppose is what we want to call it. So I'm going to make sure that's kind of roughly in the middle. I don't know what I've done there. I made a right hash of it, didn't I? Right, and then can you see I've put 2 dots where the line of nails starts and finishes. So what I'll do is I'll put the double-sided tape on the dot where it starts. I'll roll it across, and then I will cut off where it finishes, so that I'm not left with the double-sided tape sticking out the side of the nails too much. This was a right devil, getting this off. It was a right pickle. There we go, got it in the end. Right, and then I will just stick the nails down onto the tape. It's really nice and sticky, so your nails are on there quite snugly, which is nice. See, I'm not left with too much excess tape coming out the side, because I hate that. I think it looks a bit naff. So I'm going to do the same with these ones. So I've got my 2 little dots either side as my guide. And then again, I'm going to cut it off this side. So let's have a talk. What do you have to do? So if you want to be in for a chance of winning this set of press-ons that are featured here in this video, what can we get you to do? Right, like and subscribe. You have to be subscribed. Leave a like on this video, and then I want you to comment down below. Let's do something funny. Comment down below either something funny that's happened, like a funny story, but not too long, because I don't want to read too long, because oh gosh, could you imagine? Not too long a story, a funny story that's happened to you, like in real life, or leave a joke in the bottom, but don't put my name, because that's not funny. Yeah, put a joke or like a short story that's funny that's happened to you. Yeah, so that if anyone's down, if anyone's feeling down, they can read the comments and have a giggle, and that might cheer them up. Yes, there we go. Right, so the nails are on. Okay, that's the worst bit done. So I'm just wiping them over because they had some fingerprints on. So I'm just, you can use a lint-free wipe to do that. You don't have to use your clothing like I did. Very professional, Nats. And then we're going to get, I'm just digging around, I'm rummaging around now in my box for all the other bits that we have to add to the nails. So these are double-sided nail tab things. That's what I'm going to put in the press-ons to stick to your nails. If you've got glue, you can use glue, but you can't ship glue abroad, so I'm just going to use those double-sided tabs. Then there's 2 alcohol wipes to dehydrate your nails, and an orange wood stick to push back your cuticles, and a file to buff and shape your nails, I suppose. I don't know. So the nails are going to go in first. Like so. And then everything that you need will go in the back. I haven't supplied instructions, but I'm kind of hoping it's pretty straightforward. Because, yeah, I kind of hope it's... There we go. So that's them done. All we need now is a sticker. And Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt. That's your set of press-ons ready to go. So don't forget to leave a funny story or a joke in the description box below. And I will choose the winner of this giveaway in about a week. We'll upload it at some point. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe. And I'll see you beautiful lot tomorrow.